equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we are diving into the HP Elite X2 to tackle a common issue: battery problems. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws. Start by powering down your device completely. Once it's off, flip it over to access the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back cover. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. With the screws removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be careful not to damage any clips as you work your way around the edges. Once the cover is off, you'll see the battery and other internal components. Now, let's inspect the battery connection. If it appears loose or dirty, this could be the source of your issues. Disconnect the battery by gently pulling the connector away from the motherboard. If you notice any dust or debris, use a soft brush or a cloth with isopropyl alcohol to clean the area. This ensures a good connection when you reconnect the battery. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Next, check the battery itself for any signs of swelling or damage. If the battery looks compromised, it's best to replace it. You can find a compatible battery online or through your local tech store. Once you have a new battery, connect it back to the motherboard, ensuring it clicks into place securely. Before reassembling, it's a good idea to test the device. Power it on and see if it charges correctly. If it does, great. If not, you may need to consider further diagnostics. Remember, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, so if you're still having issues, don't hesitate to reach out. Now, let's reattach the back cover. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they're tightened but not overly so, as this could damage the casing. Finally, power on your HP Elite X2 and check the battery status. If everything is working well, you've successfully resolved the issue. If you need a quote before repair, just let us know. And that's it. You've learned how to troubleshoot and fix battery issues on your HP Elite X2. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.